Hello everyone, Node Investor here. I just want to make a quick video to give an update on some action I'm seeing on Litecoin. So I'm going to spend most of this video talking Litecoin, not going to be my usual market analysis. I just wanted to issue this quick alert and use it as a little bit of a training opportunity, show you guys an example using some real charts and some analysis. Just something I've been watching today. So on the screen here, you can see Litecoin earlier on Coinbase hit 31.17. We broke the $30 mark on Litecoin. That's US dollar. So this is interesting because I posted an article here recently talking about we could see Litecoin at $30 in the June timeframe. We're certainly moving up a lot faster than I thought. But hey, in this space, things move fast. So before I get to it, I just want to give a big thanks to all of you guys who are watching the videos, to the subscribers, to the folks posting comments and the likes. Big thanks, guys. I'm trying to get to as many comments as I can. I'm seeing a lot of good questions. You guys are asking me about a bunch of different coins that I'm looking at, but just trying to keep up with the comments, trying to get back to you guys as much as I can. Some of you guys are hitting me up on Twitter. That's awesome. And I'll get back to you that way as I can. So just working on a lot of things. Got some good stuff in the works for you guys, but let's cut to the chase here. So Litecoin. So earlier today I was watching this. I was kind of looking at the price. Tweeted out a little bit. Hey, if Litecoin can close up again above $28, looking good. I was watching that mark here. Then finally closed above. I said, hey, looking good. Could be very bullish. Then I said, there she goes again. A couple hours later, here we go. So let's take a look at the charts here. Coin market cap first. Has Litecoin coming in at $29.85, $1.5 billion market cap. Amazing there. Let's take a look at some charts here. So looking at the GDAX. GDAX likes to refresh. GDAX has it at $30.54 right now. You can see this is a 6-hour chart, so this is very zoomed in recent time frame, but you can see it was about $28. That's the kind of the mark I was looking at. If it can close above that for a couple hours, it did. Big volume came in, shot it right up to about $32 temporarily. Then it settled back in around 29, where it's kind of been hanging around this $30 mark here. So let's look at some analysis real quick. So here's the daily chart of Litecoin on Coinbase. You can see it on Poloniex, Bitfinex, real similar, right? Had the big breakouts a couple days back, right around the $15, $16 mark, shot right up, and then it's just been marching ahead for a couple of days. Here's the thing, on the daily chart, it doesn't look like a whole lot is happening. It doesn't look like there's an entry point. And I know a lot of people have been asking me, is it too late? How do I get in? Do we wait for a pullback? You can certainly wait for a pullback, and I talked about moving averages. We looked at this potential trend here. But what I want to show you guys is it looks like it's flagging out here. You can't see it on the dailies, but let's zoom in a little bit and I'll show you kind of what I'm looking at here. So look at this. This is the 4-hour period on Litecoin. And you can see where we had the breakout above 16, or it went to 18. Then huge volume came in. This was the big announcement. Litecoin's coming on Coinbase. Then just started to march ahead. And then for the last couple of hours, last day and a half, see how it's flagging down here? Real hard to see on this chart, but look at the volume. Volume is tiny, and right near the bottom of the flag here, or the end of the flag, I mean, it's almost non-existent, right? Another thing to look at here is look at this moving average on the 4-hour chart. See how it bounced right off of here when it broke out? And it bounced right off here. Then they try to sell it off. Look at where it found some support, went up, found some support, and just kind of has been riding. And this little triangle is what I was looking at, right? You're looking at this trend here that's forming, and let me draw a line for you guys. It'll probably be easier to see. But there's this little trend that was starting to form right here. and it's even more pronounced if you look at the trend starting from the Coinbase announcement. And if we move this line back up here, so you can see this little trend. So it's kind of a general trend there. The moving average is certainly a better one. But what I'm looking at here more specifically was this triangle right here. Let me get another line here for you guys. And let me just go across here. So this is what I was looking at. I was looking at this high 27, I'll just call it $28 mark. And this little ascending wedge on lower volume just as the moving averages were moving up. And I saw that and I said, okay, that's probably a good entry point. If somebody missed it, maybe they want to buy it here or add to it here. If you were scared that, hey, we went too far, too fast, should I sell it? That's another way to look at it, right? If it starts to break down, next support would probably be this moving average or some of the other trend lines that I've shown in the daily charts. Didn't seem like it wants to do that. Instead, it popped up. Again, big volume came in. And so I'm liking it right here. Litecoin is looking good. And let me zoom in a little bit on the 2-hour chart. Look at that. Even better looking picture on the 2-hour chart. So you can see this little wedge growing and then the little pop that we've just seen here recently. So Litecoin at $30. Just wanted to make that announcement. Just to let you guys know what I'm thinking. Right now, Litecoin is probably my favorite of the altcoins. Ethereum is super strong. I'm not saying it's going to crash or just sell it or anything like that, but it's just had its run. I mean, best case scenario for Ethereum would be to just digest some of the move that it just had. And it looks like it's doing that. Zoom in on the dailies, so you can see Ethereum kind of popped up, flagging out a little bit here. That's great. We'd like to see that instead of the big sharp correction and the volatility. It's nice when they just pop and then just sit around and might bounce around here for a little bit. Potentially set up another base. If you missed a run on Ethereum, maybe that's another entry point. Bitcoin did similar things, but right now my favorite is Litecoin. There's a couple other ones coming up that are looking really strong. I'll make some separate videos on that. Today I just wanted to talk about Litecoin, show you guys what I was looking at on the hourly charts, and it looks like we're above $30 now. So how far can it go? Well, it's moving a lot faster than I thought. If you want to read into it a little bit more, I did post something talking about Litecoin, and some of you guys saw this chart on some of the other videos. And I said, hey, if Litecoin goes to $1.5 billion market cap, we're at $29.45. And that's basically where we're at on coin market cap. If it goes to $2 billion market cap, we're at $40 Litecoin. So that's just really awesome. Litecoin's got some strength. So we'll see where it goes. Just wanted to issue this alert, guys. Stay tuned. Got a lot more coming for you. Until then, take care.